Hey everyone, and a huge welcome back to Day Trade. If you're completely new to the world of trading, if you've ever looked at those charts and wondered how people actually make money buying and selling in the market, then I promise, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to take you from zero to hero in day trading. We'll break down what day trading really is, the essential tools you'll need, how to read those mysterious looking charts, and most importantly, how to start with the right mindset to build a solid foundation. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that like button if you're excited to learn about trading, and leave a comment below telling me where you're watching from. I absolutely love knowing who's growing with me on this incredible journey. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with the absolute basics. What is day trading? In simple terms, day trading means you open and close your trades within the same day. You might buy gold, an index like the S&P 500, or currency pairs like the euro versus the dollar, and you close out your position before the market shuts down for the night. So, why do we do this? Because as day traders, we're not looking for massive long-term gains. We're capitalizing on the small, rapid price movements that happen all throughout the day. For example, if the price of gold rises by just a few dollars, that small movement can translate into a significant profit if you understand your entry and exit points precisely. Unlike long-term investors who might hold a stock for months or even years, day traders don't hold positions overnight. We work with momentum, volatility, and timing, our main tools. The charts, the candlesticks that tell the story of the price, and a crystal clear trading plan. Now let's talk about what you actually see on your screen, the candlestick chart. This might look intimidating at first, but I promise it's simpler than you think. Each one of those little candles tells a powerful story about what happened in the market during a specific period. When a candle is green, it means the price went up. When it's red, the price went down. The thick part, called the body of the candle, shows you the range between where the price opened and where it closed. And those thin lines sticking out, the wicks or shadows, show you the highest and lowest points the price reached during that time frame. Speaking of time frames, this is super important for a day trader. You can look at charts in different intervals like a 1-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, or a 15-minute chart. Shorter time frames like the 1 minute give you very fast signals, which is perfect for scalpers who jump in and out of trades very quickly. Longer time frames, like the 15-minute or even the 1 hour, tend to show you stronger, more reliable setups. These are great for day traders who prefer a bit more patience and precision in their trades. The real goal here is to learn how to read the story behind each candle. You start to see where the buyers are pushing the price up and where the sellers are taking control. It's like learning a new language, the language of the market. Okay, so you understand the basics. Now, what do you actually trade? There are so many instruments available: gold, oil, individual stocks, or forex pairs. My biggest piece of advice here is to not get overwhelmed. What matters most, especially when you're starting, is to understand one market deeply before you start jumping around between different assets. Start by picking a single instrument. Let's say, for example, gold, which is traded as XAU-USD. Your job is to watch it every single day, get familiar with it. Learn how it reacts to news events, what times of day it's most active, and how volume affects its movement. This is how you begin to develop your own trader's intuition, that gut feeling that comes from experience. When it comes to your strategy, keep it simple. You don't need 10 complicated strategies to be successful. You just need one that works for you and fits your personality. You could start with something basic like breakout trading, where you enter a trade right when the price breaks through a key level of support or resistance. Or you could try pullback trading, where you wait for the price to move and then retest the previous level before continuing in its original direction. Find one simple strategy and master it. Now, we need to talk about the part of trading that separates beginners from professionals. This is the big one: mindset and emotions. Trading is not just about charts and strategies. It's about emotional discipline. The market will test your patience, your fear, and your greed every single day. That's why every successful trader has learned how to manage their losses without losing emotional control. If you take a loss, it does not mean you failed. Let me repeat that. A loss is not a failure. It means you are learning how to manage risk, which is the most important skill in this business. Here's how you protect your mind. Set a daily loss limit and stick to it. Always respect your stop loss order. And please don't overtrade out of boredom or frustration. Remember this, your mindset is your most powerful tool. You must stay calm, follow your plan, and never ever trade to win back what you just lost. That's a recipe for disaster. To stay in this game long enough to actually grow and become profitable, you must control your risk. This is non-negotiable. A simple rule is to never risk more than 1 to 2% of your entire trading account on a single trade. That way, even if you have a string of losses, which will happen, you still have enough capital to keep trading and wait for the good setups. Use your tools wisely. The stop loss order is there to protect your account from a catastrophic loss. The take profit order is there to lock in your gains before the market turns against you. And a trading journal is your secret weapon. It helps you track what's working, what isn't, and why. It's not about how much money you make today. It's about how consistent you can be tomorrow, next week, and next year. Listen, everyone starts somewhere. Even the most experienced traders on Wall Street were once beginners, staring at these same charts and feeling confused. The only difference between them and the people who quit is that they didn't give up when things got hard. Every chart you analyze, every trade you take in a demo account, and every mistake you learn from brings you one step closer to becoming the trader you dream of being. The goal is progress, not perfection. If today's video helped you understand the basics of day trading and you feel a little more confident, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our next class. And I'll be here every week helping you grow, learn, and trade with purpose. Remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. I'll see you in the next video.